Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 26th Annual Business Achievement Awards, brought to you by the HIA-LI.
Now, to help us announce the HIA-LI Large Business Achievement Award recipient, please welcome the 2019 Large Business Achievement Award recipient, Scott Maskin from Sun Nation Solar Systems.
This year's Large Business Achievement Award goes to one of the largest privately held companies manufacturing diagnostic medical equipment. What impressed the judges most was their heart and their ability to quickly pivot, and their commitment to the health and safety of their employees through the COVID crisis. Let's watch the video to see what this year's 2020 Large Business Achievement Award recipient does.
American Diagnostic Corporation, better known as ADC, is a leading U.S. manufacturer of core diagnostic products and personal instruments for the healthcare industry. ADC's diverse line of quality instruments is used in every segment of healthcare, from hospitals to ambulances, nursing homes to medical schools. Founded in 1984 with a vision to provide essential instruments that combine world-class quality with pricing sensibility, ADC products can be found on 6 continents in over 60 different countries. Unlike many imported medical products sold in the U.S. today, ADC products are globally sourced and domestically assembled. ADC sales and customer service professionals are among the industry's most honored and respected. As a leading New York employer of the developmentally disabled for over a quarter of a century, social responsibility is in our DNA. With sales offices in England and Japan, sourcing inspection facilities in Taiwan and China, New York headquartered ADC is uniquely equipped to meet the ever-changing needs of a global healthcare market.
Let's listen to Mark Blitzstein, President and CEO, and Neil Weingart, President and CFO. Congratulations, gentlemen.
We are honored to be this year's recipient of HIA's Large Business Achievement Award. As a third-time nominee, we were no strangers to the process. I had even resigned myself to be the Susan Lucci of the Industrial Park and was pleasantly surprised when I got the call from Terry. I want to congratulate all our fellow nominees. You are all so very worthy, and I'm sure you'll have your moment to shine. A very special thank you to the judges who took time out of their busy schedules to learn about each finalist and in particular endure my spiel for the third time. We'd also like to thank our banking partners, Citibank and Wells Fargo, for sticking with us through good times and bad. And thank you to Bob Corte of AVZ for his decades of support. But mostly a huge thank you to our 115 Long Island and 200 worldwide employees that made this all possible. Many of them have been with our firm for decades. In fact, we have 3 with 30 years of service, 7 with 15, 13 with 20, 17 with 15 years, and 15 with 10. It all adds up to over a millennium of experience, something you just can't put a price tag on.
2020 started out like any other year, but has turned into something none of us could have imagined. Because we have facilities in China, we were better prepared than most, though still unprepared for the scope of what was to come. Early on, we formed a task force to discuss COVID best practices, quickly moved to a work-from-home model for our office, reducing on-site office staffing by 90% to just 3 or 4 each day. We provided unlimited paid time off for those in the plant that were at risk. Nearly 30 took advantage, staying home through mid-June. In the first 2 months, we've experienced 7 infections, forcing us to close whole departments, deep clean the facility, and quarantine staff repeatedly. We provide masks, personal bottles of hand sanitizer, disinfectant, and a thermometer to each employee. It makes a hell of a new employee welcome kit. We provided hazard pay through June, and for those that did work in the facility, up to 10 bonus PTO days have been awarded. Weekly, all hands meetings kept everyone informed and hopefully calm. All of this while experiencing massive interruption in our global supply chain, combined with explosive growth in 500 SKUs, where sales were often 1,000% greater than pre-COVID.
But we're still standing, albeit exhausted.
And today, all of us get to take a well-deserved bow.